Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Good news and bad news, or actually all good news, because I am higher than I was yesterday. I am up to bronze 1 and got very close to silver 3. I've been battling since 6 o'clock this morning, and it's, look, loss, win, loss, win, loss, tie, win, loss. I mean, it's just been back and forth. I've changed strategies. I've tried new cards. I've tried everything. It's just the way it is, I guess. I don't know. But I'm going to try to get to silver 3 by today. That way I enjoy at least 3 days in silver and not all in bronze. So let's go ahead and open up the reward for today. So it will be 1 chest, but it will be bronze 1 instead of bronze 2, which there's not much difference. I think you just get a higher percentage on something. You're still going to get credits if you get credits, or if you get monies, and you only get 1 chest. Yeah, see, 7 credits. So anyway, but the good news is, now, I'm not doing the packs right now. The problem with the packs was I'm getting like 50-cent value out of them when I open them up. That because the cards are just so low, and they're still $4 a pack. And in Splinterlands, you're never actually losing money because the cards are deflationary. They're gonna burn them. They're gonna become more valuable over time. But for instant effect on your account, taking the monies that I'm investing and buying right from the market right now is a lot better, because I do the $10 every other day. So anyway, let's go look at the numbers. So I don't have packs right now, but this is a $10,000 Splinterlands challenge. It's not promoted by Splinterlands or sponsored. I'm just doing this on my own. Every other day, I put in $10. So I got total investment right now of $684. And I've been buying packs. I'd buy 2 packs out of the 10 and then some cards. Well, after about 20, 30 packs of just not getting anything, because that's what you're hoping for, is you get a very valuable card, right? I said, with the way prices are so low, I should just go and buy the cards. And look at the immediate effect. Here's when I started doing that. And it's gone up $60 in value. The cards are up, but here's the biggest one. I've jumped 6,000 in collecting PowerPoints. And with one I'm buying, I'm going to jump 3,000 to 4,000 every other day, which is tremendous. So my profit has jumped from 130 to 173. So the strategy's paying off for right now. Now, as the prices come up, as the cards come up value-wise, and you can get $3 to $4 out of a pack, I'll go back to the packs. But as right now, I can get, well, let's go look. Let's go look right here of what I'm paying for this stuff. Market history. And I'm for 2 cents, I'm building the Pellicor Bandit. I'm going to max that out. And I'm doing that with my rental money. But you can see how many I'm buying just in the last day. And so what I did with the $10, which went into effect today, but I used it last night. But it's every other day, okay? And I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 gold for 45 cents a piece. And some I think I even got cheaper. Because I bought it in packet. But anyway, I maxed out my Veneri Heatsmith. So now I've got a maxed out gold card of him. And so instead of trying to win it in a pack, you just go directly to the source and buy it. And they're just so cheap. A gold card for 45 cents. And this guy's a badass once he maxes out. I'll show him to you in a second. Now, you might be saying, well, you can't use them because you're such low level. You're right. And strategically, that's not a good strategy on battling. but I'm more into the investing and renting. I want to open up a rental store on there and then use the battling to build my setup to where I can increase my asset value through the battling, which is the way they got it set up. Now, in the short term, I suffer the battling because I'm not concentrating on that. And that's my fault. That's my call. So that might change. It might change. But what I'm saying is I'm building up my rental store. So let's go back to my cards. And I took some cards off so I could get up into silver. I'm going to battle the rest of the day and try to get to silver 3. Otherwise, I'd be getting about 400 or 500 a day in rentals. Let's see if I can find him right here. The Veneri. Where is that guy? He's right here somewhere. Probably just be easier to go. Yeah, probably just be easier to go to my cards. Let's do it that way. So by going directly and getting them, I got more control over my strategy on the investment side. So here's a free card you get with the S's on it. So let's go to rent it out because I got it rented out. But see, I got this one, the previous, he's maxed out. Okay. And these are the only ones that are rented out right now because I took a lot of them off. But let's go look at my Venereal Gold. And here he is right here. Venereal Heatsmith. Look at him. He's got Thorn Attack. He's got the Reflect. And he's got a good hit points and armor. That's 8. So, yeah, he's very powerful once he gets up. And look at his speed. Now, he doesn't do any damage, but the thorns and the reflecting can destroy anybody attacking him. And if he's in the front, you got a healing on him, that could really do some damage. Let's look at his stats. So it took 38 cards at 50 cents or less is probably my average. And anyway, so renting them, good investment. Happy for that. So let's go back to here. And there, right there, it's come down a little bit since I looked at it last. It's down 756 from 760. And the rental, though, that's where you can build up your rental store, which it's basically it's a generic, it's a general store for everybody. But if you have a collection of cards that you're simply going to rent, and whether you can use them or not in battle, with that monies that you make from that, you can reinvest, which that's what I want to show you. Let's go, the one I'm building right now. This guy, where is he? Right here. These are the ones I bought in the last hour. Somebody rented something and I had a little bit extra DEC. So I got 178. I'm going for 400. So I'm going to burn these cards. And every time I do this, it makes your cards more rare and valuable, if you have any. Please like and subscribe. Join the link below. It really helps me out. This is not financial advice. Listen to me at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. So now I have 182. I've gotten all of this through my rentals, and I'm going to build him up and max him out and basically collect maxed out and rent. That's my strategy. Now you can do yours totally whatever, any way you want. So let's see how many packs that they've sold. Got 743,000 left just for this next airdrop. And they got 6,743,000 left to sell. So these are probably going to last to the end of the year. And as the prices come up, then the packs will be a lot, I think, more worth it. I'll get back into it. But for right now, this is these vouchers, and they're hard to get. They're only distributing 20,000 a day amongst 500,000 players, and they go by the number of SPS you got staked. So I'm not getting very many, but there's not enough to go around for what's coming up. So they're going to skyrocket, probably $5, $10, $15. And I don't know what I might sell mine. and use it to buy more cards because it's just quicker for me to do it that way. So anyway, please like and subscribe. Join me every day. Let's go back to the numbers before we leave, which I already showed you. Yeah, just come here and I'll go slow. You can pause it. I'm trying to keep this as transparent as possible. And there we go, right there. So and I did show you my new numbers. So yeah, it's going in the right direction. I'm happy. I just got to get up into silver. It's driving me nuts. I've been battling all morning and it's back and forth. And so thank you. Have a nice day and I'll see you tomorrow.